Looking for a ceiling fan that's powerful and stylish? Meet the 65-inch Fanbulous ceiling fan, the perfect upgrade for modern homes. With 8 large blades and a sleek dual-color walnut design, it fits beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, or covered patios. The quiet DC motor delivers powerful airflow with 6 speeds, while staying whisper quiet, perfect for relaxing or sleeping. You also get a bright 2000 lumen LED light with 3 color options: warm, natural, or cool, so you can set the perfect mood. And with the smart remote, you can control speed, lighting, timer, and even reverse the airflow for summer or winter. Stylish, powerful, and energy efficient, this fan doesn't just cool your room, it elevates your entire space.